Ninth exercise in lesson number 8. Mettez les phrases suivantes as titres and direct. Put the following sentences in indirect speech. Sentences are already in direct speech within the code. See the reporting verb demander. Le people demande. Demander you can use is in simple present tense. And qui est professé is in passé composé. Who has suggested their reforms? Who has suggested or brought out these reforms? The verb is in passé composé. Here it is used in futur proche. Okay. So don't bother about what they are using. How we are changing that you concentrate. It is easy for you to get the answer. So first part you can write as it is. Second one, a simple way to write the answer in indirect form. Qui est pros des reforms. No need that accent. That symbol you write as it is you can write. Il dit mon frère. He says to my brother, tu vas votre demain. It's okay. The reporting verb is in simple present tense. You can write the first part as it is, and the verb is used in futur proche, FP. Okay, futur proche. For futur proche, present tense of the elder and main verb is in the infinitive form. Tu vas, okay, tu vas going to food tomorrow. Okay, you are going to vote tomorrow. So you have to use the same first part as it is, and then that he is going to vote tomorrow. Il va fourth demand. Qu'il va autre demand. Okay, that he is going to vote tomorrow. You need to put the expressions that. And subject is changed for tui. And when you are presenting the answer il, that you concentrate. Tu is changed for il. Okay, and vas according to the tui, vas and il, and the subject is il va. Okay, and then you can write the verb as it is. It's in the infinitive form. Papa dit, elle accepte the proposition. That says she will accept the proposal. Here you see that says that she will accept the proposals. Okay. So the reporting verb as you write as it is, Papa dit. And the verb in the direct speech is in future simple tense, and indirect speech it will be in future simple tense. That is simple future tense you can write. Dad says that you can write dad says as it is, and indirect speech how you have to present the answer, that you have to add, and elle accepte le proposition. She accepted the proposals. Okay. Only that you add. La médecin dit, viens voir demain. So the medicines, the doctor says, come see me tomorrow. Okay. That venire. Venire is in the imperative form. So infinitive form it is given there. The first part you can write as it is. Then infinitive form of verb venir is venir. Original way you can write, that is called it as a infinitive form. And add me is changed for le. To come and see him tomorrow. To come and see, okay, him tomorrow. So question is come and see me. When it is a change it for come and see him, because you are saying to somebody. It is indirect speech. So come and can see him tomorrow. Okay. There here you have to add the. Venir is in infinitive form and me is changed for le. Okay. That also you must concentrate. Last one. So clues I given there. This fourth sentence you must concentrate and remember and write that. Only fourth sentence is different. Fifth one. Vous avez déclaré le complet est bon. You declared the account is in order. Okay. It's a direct speech. Please remember the verb être is in direct speech is given in the present tense, and reporting verb is not in the present tense. So reporting verb is in passé composé. You avez declare. So first reporting verb you can write as it is. Otherwise first sentence you can write as it is. And second, when you are writing the answer and direct speech is in the present tense, but you have to change and write in it. Vous avez que le campagne était beau. Que you have to add and est is changed for était. That is imperfect form, you have to present the answer. Okay. When the reporting verb is in passé composé and verb is in the direct speech and you have to present the answer is in imperfect. Okay, this two word we change. A is changed for ete and ka you have to add. So revise the video 2 or 3 times, then only is able to understand properly. Thank you.